Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Tech Tip Nest. In today's video, I'll show you a cool TikTok trick how to see who follows and supports you the most, right from any video. It's a super easy way to find out who your most loyal followers are. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to any video. Then, press and hold the share button located on the right side of the screen. When you hold down the share button, a menu will pop up with different sharing options. In this menu, you'll also see information about who follows you the most and who interacts with your content the most. TikTok lets you quickly check who's giving you the most likes, shares, and comments on your clips. And one more tip. If you want to grow your community even further, start responding to comments and interacting with your followers regularly. It's a great way to stay connected and keep your audience engaged. And that's it. This is how you can easily find out who your most active followers are on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with more cool tricks.